Welcome, my beautiful friend. Today we are unveiling clue number 3 of our year-long mystery crochet along. For the first clue, we went on a journey discovering how to feel empowered and unbreakable. And then for clue number 2, we were really focusing on how to find balance in our lives. And for this third clue, our word is gratitude. So we're going to be working straight lines in the round, creating another square for our project. And I hope the soothing, calm stitches relax you and remind you of all that you have to be grateful for. And to continue that concept a little further, for this clue, we're recommending our beautiful Studio Crema Worsted yarn. Studio is a calming, soothing, cool-toned slate gray. I love grays because they're so open to interpretation depending on setting that we're in, the different lightings, as well as the different ways our eyes perceive color. And it's like life. You can take the same situation and when presented to various people, they're each going to respond differently because we give the meaning to life and we can choose to find things that we're grateful for no matter the situation. So you can download the newest clue as well as get the yarn at expressionfiberarts.com. Of course, while you're there, be sure to sign up for email updates because that's where we're going to be announcing the next clues. And of course, we're going to have an amazing prize this month, so anyone who finishes on time is going to be entered to win that. And yes, we are having big, massive prizes at the end of the year that are absolutely going to blow your socks off. Oh, and for this clue, as with the previous clues, you are going to have written instructions and a chart. Oh, and I wanted to show you how to work a half double crochet into the third loop of the back of a previous half double crochet, just in case you haven't worked that technique before. So when you work into half double crochets, normally you're going to work into both of these two stitches here. Sometimes a pattern will ask you to work into the back loop only, which is here, or the front loop only, which is here. But for this pattern, when it says to work into the third loop on the back, you're going to rotate around and avoid these two loops here, and you're going to work into the loop right behind. So go ahead and yarn over, insert your hook into that loop in the back there, and work your half double crochet. So I'll show you again, yarn over, jump over to the next stitch. Don't work into these two stitches that you normally would, just rotate it, find that third loop in the back, and you're going to work into that. And when you do this, you get these beautiful little ridges on your project. And of course, as always, if you have any questions, be sure to post them in the Ravelry forum because there are so many helpful folks there that would love to be of assistance. And I assure you there are probably other people that have that same question, but you're helping them out as well. Enjoy each moment working this clue. You're doing so amazing. Have a wonderful month, and I will see you next month with clue number 4. Bye-bye.